Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be doing my Polygel nails using this Gershion Polygel Nail Enhancement Kit. I think that's how you say it, Gershion or Gershion. Not sure. But this is the kit that I'm using. I purchased it off of Amazon and I'm really excited to show you guys today. So this is all that comes in the kit. So I did my research and this was the best that I can find. Well, with the reviews and everything, I really wanted to make sure I did my research because I hate receiving things that just don't live up to their name. So this Polygel kit comes with it comes with this spatula and brush. Okay, this is used to mold the polygel. Okay, it comes with a base coat and a top coat. Very important, usually helps a lot with keeping the polygel lasting for like 4 weeks. I already took out the dual forms, but they came in here and they're reusable. And then the gel. So this is my favorite part, the gel that it comes with. It has clear, white, natural pink, dark pink, cover pink, and a bean red. Okay, so that's all that comes in here. And then I have my UV LED light right over here. So I will be showing you guys how to apply polygel nails using dual forms. There's different ways to apply, but in this video I will be showing how to apply using dual forms. And dual forms are usually for beginners because it's super easy. They make it super easy to use. So what you want to grab is some slip solution, or you can use alcohol. I use alcohol. If you want to design, now this I purchased from a Halloween costume about months ago during Halloween, and it's like face makeup, but I'm going to be using it. I think I'm going to be using it for my nails. I will see. I usually change my mind in the middle, but we'll see. I'm going to be using like the top or the bottom for, you know, my nails. And then, so right now I'm just going to set up my station. And the color that I want to use, I kind of want to go with clear because I have like a little vision of how I want to paint them. I have my file. This is actually the Gershion file, the 100 or 180. Okay. And on the side, I did purchase, because I did my research and saw that this is a lifesaver, nail dehydrator and nail primer. So for those of you who are thinking about just the kit, these could be great backups. I know that they can save, you know, they can save you a lot of time with having to redo your nails and stuff like that. I do want to do exactly what's in the kit, but honestly I would like my nails to stay on. So okay, so do we have all those? Now I'm going to put out the dual forms that match each of my fingers. So I like to measure that ahead of time just because it saves a lot of time. I did use these already, that's why you see they're kind of like, it's kind of like stuff on it already. So I'm just going to measure out. Okay, so now that I have that hand, I'm going to prepare my nail bed. And I don't have a cuticle pusher, so I'm going to use the spatula. Okay, so now that I push those cuticles back, I'm going to prepare the nail bed. I like to, no matter what type of nails I'm doing, I like to just file the nail bed, make it a little rough. Okay. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is put that nail dehydrator on. And I think I'm going to do from my thumb over to my pinky. So I'm going to put that nail dehydrator on. So now that the nail dehydrator is on, now I'm going to do the nail primer. Okay, have that on. I'm going to get my spatula, dip it in some. Here I am going to be using my brush dipped in alcohol and lightly pressing it and forming it into the nail shape that I want, into the dual form shape. And you want to make sure that you make it thin around the cuticle so it can have a nice thin edge when you apply it, you know, because that is the look that everyone goes for. And if you don't, you know, you can always file it down, but it's best just to do it now while you're forming the nail. So now I'm going to apply base coat. I'm so sorry I'm off camera. A thin layer of base coat. And then I'm just going to slip it on. You don't want to just plop it on and press it hard because it'll ooze out the sides. So you just want to slip it down to the cuticle. Make sure the sides are wiped off and cure for 2 minutes. Okay, so let's give it a pinch. Okay, I'm going to pinch it and wiggle it off. Wiggle the dual form off. Alrighty, so as you guys can see, so now I'm just going to use my oops, that's not the one. So now I'm just going to use my file down the shape that I like. Okay, so I put a little extra on there just so I can fill out that side. Okay, I'm going to cure this for another 60 seconds. Okay, so now that that's cured, I'm going to take my file again and shape it up. For some of you using a drill, it's going to be a lot faster, but for those of you who don't have one, it's a lot more work and it just takes time. So just get it to the shape you like. Of course, I'm going to speed this part up. Okay, so I got it to the shape that I wanted. Oops. And I'm just going to clean it off with some alcohol. I don't have the wipes. So basically, I improvise. Alright? So I want to just experiment with the one and see what it looks like. Okay, guys. Okay. clear. Kind of glaze it over. Okay, so I'm going to cure those for 2 minutes. Okay, now that that's cured, I'm going to file it again. Okay, now I'm going to put the top coat on. Just a thin layer. Make it nice and shiny. Alright, and I'm going to go ahead and cure that for 60 seconds. Okay, so that's the first one. Trying to see if you guys can see that actually without it being blurry. Okay, so now I'm going to go do the rest of my hand off camera and I'll be right back, guys. Okay guys, so I finished my Polygel nails and I love it. I love the way they came out. It wasn't too hard. It took me about 2 hours. This is like the second time I've actually done it and I think I'm getting better. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so that you never miss an upload. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.